up? It's 101 Barnyard back with a new Zippo video. Gonna fill up my Zippo, okay? Unfortunately, my store did not have Zippo, genuine Zippo fluid, or else I would have bought it. So I had to get some Roncinol. Whatever. Tip on opening that cap. Open your Zippo and use the lid to lift that up. Easy as that. Alright, take the insert out. This is my 1994 Desert Storm Zippo. Dad's upstairs now. Would you look at that? Alright, I just replaced the flint. Made a video on it, so if you watched that, hopefully you did. This is just how to fill it up. Okay, so I know there's a felt pad on the bottom. This one does not have the hole on the bottom, but it says lift to fill. So you lift that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A few seconds let that soak in. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Let that soak in. I did that for about 3 times, 10 seconds each. Wait 5 seconds in between. Alright. Oh, that's soaked up right there, so now I should. Alrighty then. Put that insert back in. Light her up. Just a couple Zippo tricks. I might have a video or 2 on them. I don't know. So it's all like. That's hot. I just burned my finger. Oh. This is windproof, just so that you know. But it's old and the wick's a piece of crap, so it's not gonna light. It's not gonna stay. Whatever. Once again, I use Roncinol. Pretty crappy lighter fluid. It's also good for cleaning, says Roncinol. Clean this. You know what else it could clean? My ass. I don't know. Maybe. It's for you techie guys. No. Knife guys. There's a knife. You want to see it in action? Let's cut a piece of paper. It's not the sharpest right now, so let's just do this, ready? Like, this is not sharp at all. I was using it for work today. I was at work and I had to use it, so I have to clean it tonight and sharpen it, so whatever. Let's use this. Hopefully this knife is sharp enough to cut this. There we go. Don't be a bitch. Of course you are. No. Every time I do it, it works. I do it this time. Stupid paper. You know what's on this paper? Ideal extreme password. I'm overtired. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you like this video, like it. If it's your favorite video, favorite it. If you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel. Be awesome. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And take care.